Well, there it is, the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy for 24-25, Delhi versus Railways, and we are coming to you live from the Arun Jaitley Stadium. Well, the crowd is building in huge numbers. They've come out to support just one man. There are the two teams. Anshit Yadav, Vivek Singh, keep an eye on him. Mohammad Saif, the left-hander. And on the other hand, take a look at that at number 4, Virat Kohli, the king. He's back on the park and where he really belongs. That's the first delivery, and we are off and away. Coming in, gets off the mark straight away.
जी हाँ, यहाँ पे गैप मिला, बॉल को दिशा दिखाई और पहला चौका आता हुआ रेलवे के खाते में.
Oh, but there goes the finger. Nanda Kishore points 7 words.
अंचित यादव 7 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए और रेलवे 7 पे 1.
We'll get 4 for that. In the air, there is a fielder straight down his throat. Wicket number 2 for the Railways goes down. He's gone, Suraj Ahuja for 14.
He cleans him up. Navdeep Saini coming from round the wicket.
विवेक सिंह बिना खाते खोले लौटेंगे 21 पे 3 रेलवेज.
Off stage, that will run away to the boundary. A welcome boundary for Railways. Stylishly played through the onside. Driven into the gap and he will find the boundary. Kaif plays this, drives through the offside really well. He hasn't got the edge, yes. And that's the end of Saif. And he cleans him up.
0 पर आउट भार्गव, रेलवेज 66 पर 5.
Staying in line and paying the price for it is Navdeep Saini. लीजिए, एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई. एक बार फिर से बॉल को गैप में डाला है. Some width was offered and he's used it to good effect as Upendra Yadav. And that boundary also brings up the 50 of Upendra Yadav. उस चर्चा को जारी रखेंगे, इस शॉट का लुत्फ उठाइए. रिजल्ट में कोई बदलाव नहीं.
Oh, now he swings that one. That's gone all the way. That'll be the second 6 of this inning so far. Also bringing up the 50 for Karan Sharma. The first time he's gone past 50. Oh, that's again in the air. There is a fielder. He's getting underneath it. And he's going to take it. What a catch in the end. A great effort this. Fine 50. Could have made it last longer. Railways 170 for 6 now. And clean there. Oh, he's got it.
पहली गेंद पर चलता किया अयान को.
Will get 4. Brilliantly played. And he'll get 4 more for that. This has gone fine to the right of fine leg this time. Pulled away. Will get a boundary. Real gift this for Upendra, and he accepts it with glee.
He's always been looking to play big shots. Thread away on the onside. Has he beaten it? Yeah, he's beaten the fielders. Lot more in control, and that's the result. Using his feet, going for a big hit. It's in the air. Fielders coming underneath it. And is taken.
229 पर 8 रेलवेज.
Going over the top, but he finds a fielder. Oh no!
In the air, there is a fielder there, straight to him. The batsman already making his walk back.
हिमांशु सांगवान 29 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए. रेलवे 240 पे 9.
Got him! Clean him up. 241 all out. So we will see Delhi coming out and batting, which at one stage didn't seem possible. But the batting card of Railways put into bat by Delhi. They lost Vivek very early in the piece for a duck from Upendra Yadav and Karan Sharma, taking to them to that respectable score. Surely looks classy, and there it is, the class of a left-hander coming to the fore. Absolute treat for sore eyes.
और ये देखिए
The youngster gone for 10 of 9.
That's gloriously played into the offside through the gap. Neatly tucked away. He's timed it really well. It'll race away to the boundary. Goes off the edge and that'll go to the boundary as well.
अच्छा लाइन, अच्छा लेंथ कुणाल द्वारा.
Change of angle for the left-hander. He's given.
32 पर आउट यशदुल.
And out comes the man they've been waiting for. The huge roar from the crowd. Greets Virat Kohli. Clicking pictures of the hero.
ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है. इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं.
Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli is off stump.
विराट कोहली पेविलियन लौटते हुए केवल 6 रन बना के. बाउंड्री मिलती हुई राहत की सांस मिली होगी इस समय.
Nicely struck. Will get a boundary as well. Back-to-back boundaries for Ayush Badoni.
And another wicket here for Sangwan.
30 पर लौटेंगे सनत. बट ये शॉट देखिए यहां पर, अपने पाले में गेंद को पाया और माथुर ने चौके से अपना खाता खोला यहां पर.
He doesn't mind playing aggressive shots, Badoni.
यहां पर कदमों का इस्तेमाल और बेहतरीन शॉट साइड स्पिन पर.
Just over the outstretched hands of Midon. There it is. A well-made 50 this for the skipper Ayush Badoni of 34 deliveries. The strike rate 147.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक. काफी कंट्रोल मैनर में स्ट्रोक को खेलते हुए बाउंड्री कलेक्ट करते हुए.
Pulls that one away. Misfield will get a boundary. That's in the air over the top. What a shot this. Absolute cracker. And again, this time gone all the way. Down the track again. Over the top. Will move to 99. That's maximum. And Ayush Badoni really turning it on here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. There it is, in the air. There is a fielder there, straight to him.
99 पर आयुष बदोनी आउट.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, अच्छी टाइमिंग. लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, कमाल का स्ट्रोक. लाजवाब स्ट्रोक. जब भी चौका मारते हैं वो टाइमिंग उसके धनी दिखते हैं. और ये
Wait for the umpire signal. It's off the bat. 4 runs brings up the 50 for Sumit Mathur as well. 53. Applause from the Delhi dressing room. The coach there.
इस बार इनसाइड द लाइन रुके और एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर.
ये वाला शॉट चहलकदमी करके एक हाथ से
Got him.
39 पे प्रणव राजवंशी पेविलियन लौटते हुए.
That's nicely stroked away through the offside. Poor delivery this. Uncomfortably put away by Shivam. Pulled away. Imperiously, in fact, by Shivam Sharma for a boundary. Once again going for the pull, and this time he takes it.
14 पर लौटना होगा 310 पे 7.
That'll be a boundary. Run straight away and 4 of them. On the pads, help yourself delivery. That'll be 4. Straying a little in the line.
ये कैच हो सकता है और हाथ में जाती हुई यहां पे बल्ला फेंका है और एच भी दिया.
After 100 overs, 348 for 8. It's a real difficult call for the umpire because it's got to be in the, got to touch the return crease, and that's a beautiful shot. He'll get boundary there.
This will be close. Yes, the umpire agrees.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली हताश होकर पेविलियन लौटना होगा. 86 पर 358 पर 9.
Pulled away. And he will get a boundary for that. This played beautifully into the huge gap on the offside. In this one, will cross the boundary, Rob.
यहां पर क्लीन बोल्ड. सांगवान और स्टम्प्स की प्रेम कहानी जारी यहां पर.
Delhi bowled out for 374 and they have a lead of 133 runs in the first innings. Railways were bowled out for 241 after being put into bat. Good effort from Upendra Yadav, 95 there. Karan Sharma half century come in, and Delhi were bowled out for 374. And Delhi now have a lead of 133 runs.
Little bit of a bat, little bit of a bat. Oh, he's given him.
सूरज आहूजा 1 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए. रेलवे 1 पे 1.
You'll have a lot of crowd coming in. A misfield there. Rare misfield by the Delhi fielders gives the batsman 4 runs.
That's stroked away beautifully on the onside by Saif. He'll get a boundary for that. Once again, nicely stroked down the ground. That's a poor effort which will fetch the left-hander another boundary. Use of the feet and straight away success for him.
विवेक को लौटना होगा. 12 बनाकर.
Pulled away and into the gap as well. Opens his account with a boundary. Edged, and that's eluded, and it's flown over the slips fielders.
और आउट.
The end of Mohammad Saif is dismissed for 31.
ये लीजिए.
Mirai gone for 1. Now Railways in deep troubles. Pitches that once in the slot, driven magnificently through the covers. Nicely played. We'll get a boundary amidst all the drama.
That's nipped back. That's a shot, and it's given.
उपेंद्र यादव 19 रन बना के आउट हुए. रेलवे 76 पे 5.
Big shot, and Nand Kishore agrees with the bowler.
करण शर्मा 16 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए. रेलवे मुश्किलों में.
And he cleans him up.
हिमांशु सांगवान बड़ा शॉट मारने के चक्कर में अपनी विकेट गंवाते हुए बनाए केवल 1 रन.
To get just 9 wickets to get a outright victory, and this one is played on the edge for a boundary.
दोबारा और ये आउट. 8वां धक्का.
100 for 8. Well, he'll get a boundary for that. That'll be runs. A boundary this. Down the track, in the air. Gone. Wicket number 9. Anshit Yadav is not going to come out to bat. So that's the end of the game as far as this Group D fixture between Delhi and Railways is concerned. Virat Kohli leading the team off the ground. Shivam Sharma 5 for him. Delhi winning convincingly by an innings and 19 runs.
और विराट कोहली को वो शॉल पहनाते हुए. बहुत बड़ा मोमेंट डीडीसीए के लिए और विराट कोहली के लिए. ये एक ऐसा लम्हा है जो याद रखा जाएगा.